Join me as I explore the beautiful beach town of Sosua. This vlog series called Tales from the Remote Living Perspective. This episode is called Sosua Party Boat. Here I'm going to tell you the story of how I received my first job in Sosua for some extra side money. I was just walking to the beach when I ran into Jason, photographer for the Sosua Party Boat Company. He seen my gear, asked me what I do, and telling me YouTube. We chopped it up for a little bit, and I just continued to the beach, just flying my drone, having a beer. That's when I see Jason, what appears two couples. He sees me, wave, tells me to come on the boat. I'm like, really? Alright, cool. And this is what I captured.
Yeah. What you doing out here? I'm just out here. I work remotely out here.
We're gonna be taking pictures of you for the whole time you guys gonna be here. I'm waiting until the boat stop and to take a few photos between you and your girl together.
No, we don't do that one. We can skip that one.
So the vibes are going great. I found out I was the first guy I talked to birthday. That's why he was in Sosua. The Sosua Party Company provides food, and we even catch and prepare fresh food for you. Also, the guys there was even familiar with the city I went to college at.
Greensboro niggas, man.
Yeah.
We went to a lot of G-holes, huh?
Yeah, of course.
What?
Yeah.
Hey, why you trying to act like he's an accountant, bro? No. Bro, you out here for the same reason we out here, bro.
Yeah, so the overall private party was a success. The guests seemed happy and satisfied with the experience. I will tell you it's very difficult to film on a boat that is constantly rocking back and forth. Something that I never really thought about, but I will say that the day was still a win, and I didn't expect to have this experience, but I'm glad to have it. Until next time. For more episodes in this vlog series, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech and travel videos.